the code to see how that works. I'll go ahead and load up a location service sample. And one of the things you will notice from the sample is honestly how easy it is to get a fix for your application. So I have a regular Windows Phone application. Let me go ahead and show the main page here so you can see its simplicity. I'm going to simply have a couple labels to show me the latitude and longitude of the service and whether the service is on or off. If I look at the code, you'll notice first that I'm using system.device.location. It is not in the sensor namespace. You will find this in system.device.location. I'm going to go ahead and new up a geo-coordinate watcher. The geo-coordinate watcher is the main class you're going to be working with inside of location. I'm going to call it watcher. Go ahead and pop these open. Comment that out. Take that out. I'll show you what that is later. And let me pop this open. This looks like a lot of code, but it's not. So inside my application, I'm using an application bar. And the application bar allows me to turn on high, turn on low, or stop the service. So if we look at the code behind, we have a low button click, we have a high button click, and we have a stop button click. So let's go through as if we were looking for low. When someone clicks the low, we're going to set the text that you see on the device on the screen to power optimized. And then we're going to call this method that we created called start location service and pass it geo-precision accuracy. Now geo-precision accuracy, as I said, has two. It has default and high. So default is the low, which means that it's going to try to find location based on Wi-Fi and cell tower triangulation. If we go to start location service, we're setting the text block. We're actually newing up the geo-coordinate watcher, and when you new up the geo-coordinate watcher, it asks you what type of accuracy you want, which we're passing through as default. You can set a movement threshold if you want, meaning that if you want to be able to filter out data that you don't need, meaning, you know, I want to know when they walk a block, not when they take a step. You can set a movement threshold. Beyond that, you have to handle two events, the status changed and the position changed. So when the status changed event fires, this method is going to handle it. When position changed event fires, this method's going to hire it. It's as simple as that. And then we go